What's up? It's Kat and Deb. Welcome to
our food truck.
Our food truck. That's right.
Did we have a food truck name? We didn't, did we?
No, we never named it.
We never named it.
But there were some really good names in the comments, except they're all chicken related, and so this is a different theme.
Well, I mean, there's chicken in this one, but it's not all chicken.
Yeah. It's breakfast. Hello.
Hello.
Talk about a gap in the food truck market.
Yeah, I mean, there are some breakfast food trucks, but like
not enough.
Not enough. Yeah, I agree.
Not enough. So we're making our menu for our breakfast food truck today. We are serving up 4 menu items.
As always.
Yeah, we always do this.
We always do it. As the second time we've been doing this, it's always 4 menu items.
Okay, so what are we making for breakfast?
We're gonna do a cornflake crusted chicken and waffles.
Love.
With hollandaise. So it's like a Benedict with chicken and waffles. Because I felt chicken and waffles was too brunchy. It needed more breakfast element to it.
But I like the idea that we are flirting with brunch.
Yeah.
I always want to be flirting with brunch.
And then we're also going to do like a yogurt parfait bowl. Yes. And then we're going to do a tater tot poutine, like a breakfast poutine.
A little bit of Canadian in there.
And then for dessert / sweet breakfast is Pop-Tarts. Because that's a breakfast food. Yeah. I don't care what anyone says, Pop-Tarts are a breakfast food.
Well, when else would you eat? Well,
snacks.
Yeah.
Dessert.
They're a breakfast snack.
They're a breakfast snack.
There you go.
Imagine crumpling up Pop-Tarts onto the yogurt parfait.
Yes.
Oh my god, we could do that.
Actually.
Oh, I think we should.
I might just like dip it.
Oh! Okay. So we're gonna get making. I think we're gonna start with the Pop-Tarts because they actually have to like bake and everything, and they can sit.
Yeah.
And then
anything else that can be prepped first?
I mean, we can
make the granola.
Yeah, and we can probably make like the eggs and cook up the sausage because then there's gonna be hot gravy over top of it.
Hot gravy.
And we can like prep the cornflake crust and like do all the prep work.
We're gonna prep it up.
Do. All right, so
yeah,
I'll start
just
with
prep
the pie
everything.
dough. I'll start with the pie dough. Do you want to just start prepping
please
things?
Do.
Yeah, like you can
please do.
Salt and pepper and oil the asparagus so that we can roast it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I already have spicy maple made because I keep that in my fridge now.
Who doesn't?
Yeah.
It's now a staple.
And we gotta make granola. Granola can also sit.
Yes. Oh yeah, definitely. Okay. Let's do it.
Let's do it. You need help?
Okay. Dough is chilling. Granola is going to be baked.
How long?
Until it's done. Now we are going to smash up the cornflakes. This is so fun!
All right, so I'll leave that for now. What else do we do? I'll get the asparagus ready. Gotta roast it.
Does this need to be pretty fine?
I don't think so. I think we kind of want the chunks sometimes.
You want it chunky?
What's up with you?
Nothing.
No, this is normal.
Yeah.
Normal Devin.
Actually, pretty normal. So, like, this is...
I think that's good. You kind of want those crunchy bits, right?
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Okay, I feel like I definitely am gonna need more.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
I would double it.
Double it. Okay, now something we need to discuss.
Uh-huh.
A breakfast food truck.
Uh-huh.
What time do we have to open at?
Ooh, like 8?
This is the opposite of our nighttime bakery.
This is what we do in the morning.
Oh my gosh.
We do the nighttime bakery.
We don't sleep.
No. Sleeps for the week.
Ha
Yeah, the week.
Do you need to get out some anger? Do you want to do some smashing?
Oh, okay.
I'm
not in a pretty good place.
I'm not angry.
Imagine you could make a living just doing a bunch of random pop-ups. Oh, so like you do a food truck for just a month, and that's the theme, and then you go and just do a pop-up restaurant somewhere or a pop-up bakery.
I think people call that catering.
Catering's only one night.
No, but it would kind of be like a pop-up, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
We're popping up at this wedding.
Oh, that's so cool. You do weddings. Oh, we didn't get paid for this. We're just popping up. This is so great, Devin. Like, I feel like when we started this, you would not have been able to just, whip things up.
Whip it.
And it's so great. So much growth. I mean, I don't think I would have necessarily been able to whip anything up good either. But
I've made granola a few times on my own, so if this turns out bad, it's not all my fault. This is so fun. Why did I say that?
I don't know.
Okay.
You're so awkward. Imagine trying to interact with customers. If it's bad, it's my fault. Yeah, I know. It's your food truck.
I would never say that to a customer. I won't even look at them.
If it's bad, it's your fault.
Look at that dough.
Not the same size, but that's okay.
We do rustic style stuff. I need more paprika.
Paprika.
For the color.
Okay.
I think we're almost all prepped.
Are we? Wow. Look at us go.
We gotta start cooking stuff, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Let's get these
I'm
Pop-Tarts in
nervous.
the oven. Why?
Because like we gotta, it's all gonna happen, you know?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, I guess.
I don't get nervous about cooking. It's like, if it's not timed well, it's not like we have actual customers. Just us.
Okay, we need to take this seriously.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Does this look okay?
Yeah, looks great.
Wow.
Maybe a little thinner?
Thinner?
Yeah. So sorry. I'm so sorry.
Trying to attack.
So sorry, ma'am.
I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't measure anything.
That's okay. Who cares? Cook from the heart.
My heart says panic. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
I'm really excited for Pop-Tarts. I
Me
voted
too.
for them.
Pop-Tarts over what was the other thing I
French
suggested?
toast.
French toast, yeah.
Is that controversial? I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. Just speaking from the
Okay,
heart.
I need a more solid
This
surface.
is wow.
I'm taking over
Yeah,
here.
no, you go there. I'm just wandering around at this point. Pop-Tarts are almost popped.
Hopefully just prevents them from leaking. It won't, but hopefully.
We got our tots. We got our granola. We got our asparagus. It seems like we have things under control, but I would say that we don't.
I think we're lost.
I feel very lost.
Yeah.
We're not used to such confusing cook times for our timing.
I've never had to coordinate
Anything.
this drastic of breakfast stuff. Usually it's like, cook bacon, eggs, toast.
Yeah.
So I feel like coordinating this stuff has been weird.
It's, yeah, I don't know what to do next.
Yeah. We're gonna make the sauces.
The sauces, okay.
Because then we can just keep them warm.
Okay, make the
I'm gonna pop
sauces.
this in the freezer.
Okay, let's get saucy.
We're getting saucy.
It's a race.
Is it?
No.
Oh, I'm turning on the wrong one. I'm off to a bad start.
What do I do? I think I gotta melt this.
What do I do?
And then I think I gotta add some flour to it.
Oh, it's nothing.
I don't know what I'm doing today.
We gotta roast asparagus soon. Oh my god, the
What?
Pop-Tarts.
I gotta go in the oven. Did we put a timer on the tots?
No, we didn't. That's okay. We'll just
They
look
look
for when they're
great.
golden. They do look great though.
Okay.
I actually don't know how long for the Pop-Tarts, so we'll guess. Okay, what am I doing? Jesus
This
Christ.
is what I'm saying.
Okay. Oh my goodness. That looks good. And
Now
it's
we're
butter,
cooking.
shallots, and garlic.
Wow. Should I
Oh
add
my
more
God, this
flour?
looks
Or should I
so
add the
good.
milk now? I don't
Add the
know.
milk, you can always add more flour later. In like a cornstarch slurry or something. Nice salty gravy. You want that?
Oh, it's thickening now.
There we go.
I do. Oh, that's perfect.
Alright, so I'm gonna bring the heat way down. Alright. Gravy's good. You want milk?
Yeah. I think I should have added the milk sooner,
Yeah.
but it said to wait until it was a roux. So it didn't. Okay, we are in full chaos. This is our most chaotic
Yeah, it's chaotic.
ever.
There's so much, you know?
It's too much. Okay, but here's the Pop-Tarts. Here's the asparagus. Wow, that looks gorgeous. here's the tots. Perfect.
Gorgeous.
Okay, and you're working on our waffles.
Waffles, and then I'll pan fry some sausage.
Getting ready to fry the mushrooms. Here is a lot.
It's a lot.
Oh!
Okay, but like those look great. We'll do it for like another minute or so. Where are those gonna go?
On a plate?
I can pop them in the oven to keep them warm. I only have 2 baking cooling racks. I need more cooling racks.
Okay, we're building tots. Tater tot. Poutine!
How much should I do? Does that look good?
Oh, yeah. Sure.
Eggs?
Eggs.
Oh, so good. Sausage.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so good.
And cheese.
Cheese.
That's it. I was like, I'm missing something.
Oh.
We need a bitter spoon. All right, there we go.
Heck yeah. Okay,
poutine.
now get your waffles going.
Yep. All right. So 1 waffle, 2 waffle,
Yeah.
or like this so that the chicken can go
Like
in
a
it.
little cradle.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else?
Chicken.
Asparagus.
Oh, asparagus first.
Oh my god.
Wow. Okay. Now select
Okay, this is really hard to carry.
from. Wow. What is this? What have you done here, Devin?
Wow. Okay. I'm gonna do a piece of chicken.
Okay, this is perfect. Wow.
Right.
Okay, half the order up.
Yeah. And then
Parfait.
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 You mean perfect or? I'm gonna make some yogurt.
You're making the yogurt?
Yeah, I'm making it. Should have done that earlier, shouldn't I?
Yeah. Seems like a big process.
I'm gonna do a couple scoops. Raspberries then granola, or granola then raspberries?
I don't know anymore. I thought I knew, but I don't know.
I'm gonna do granola, and then raspberries, then granola.
Oh, layering it. Yeah, okay. I love it in this little cup, though.
It's so cute.
I thought it was gonna be too big, but I think it's perfect.
And then you can put a lid on it.
Okay, now where does the Pop-Tart go? On top, as the lid. There's your lid.
Here's our food.
Oh my gosh. No, but like, look at this Pop-Tart.
Are you gonna make yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Breakfast time.
Oh my gosh, it's 1:30. Our truck is late.
Time for breakfast.
Wait, we didn't get spoons for. Okay.
Oh yeah, can you use a fork for perfect?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
What are you trying
I'm
first?
trying the poutine first.
Poutine.
I need to get a little bit of everything.
Oh, that's the perfect bite. I got it. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good.
It's so good.
No, it's perfect. Mmm.
Why is gravy so good?
I was just gonna say, like, you nailed the gravy.
Thank you.
What the heck? We
Okay.
tried to have a race. Don't even look at my hollandaise. Don't look at it. It's gonna be good though.
Mhm. And the chicken's gonna be good.
This is gonna be a big bite.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready?
I didn't get any asparagus, but I'm going for it. Wait, I'm still eating my poutine. Mm. Mm. Oh,
That's so good.
the crunchiness on the mushrooms. The chicken, I mean.
And we didn't add any spicy maple, but we could.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it needed it.
Wow, it looks so much prettier. One problem though with this being like a food truck.
Knives.
Yeah. This is hard to
With the
eat.
spicy maple.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you gotta have the spicy maple. Okay. Okay.
I think we can. I mean, it's yogurt and granola. I know what this tastes like. Did not make yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
It needed freshness.
Yeah.
Mmm. I
Perfect.
went back to the chicken though.
I would even drizzle some maple syrup on this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I do have it. Do you want it?
I do. We needed the spicy maple and now we need the regular maple.
How much?
It's essential for our brand. Oh, that's perfect. Maple syrup.
Pop-Tart. I wonder if you got strawberry or raspberry.
It's square.
So we both got raspberry?
Yeah.
The Pop-Tart. I really good Pop-Tart.
I think this is better than the puff pastry strudel from the last bakery.
I agree. We just gotta make pie dough.
This is the perfect breakfast.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
What's your favorite?
Oh my god.
I think the poutine.
I think the poutine too. Even though I think the chicken and waffles, the individual pieces are really good. A full bite of the poutine with each piece is perfection.
Yeah.
So you can't beat that.
But the chicken is great.
It's all great.
Oh my god, it's so crunchy.
Okay. This was our most chaotic food truck or bakery of anything we've ever done.
But it still tasted delicious.
Let us know in the comments what you would order from our food truck. Also, what should we call our breakfast food truck? We need a name. And what should we do next?
Yeah.
Honestly, no, I just decided.
Okay, what are we doing
I don't
next?
know. A taco truck?
Oh yeah, let's do a taco truck.
Taco truck would be so fun.
Yeah.
Okay, think about it.
I'm just ripping apart the chicken.
Let us know. And make sure you subscribe, comment, and share it with somebody else who thinks that there's a gap in the breakfast market.
In the food truck market?
No, just breakfast in general.
Oh, there is a gap.
I
It's
think
not vegan yet.
Exactly. Okay. Thanks
On
for
that
watching.
note, bye.
The end.